Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi,
Okay.
here's Becca. You want to narrate this? Say something.
Today is it's look at the sky, guys. It's raining right now. Well, sprinkling. And don't look at our address. And today is, guess what it is? It's my birthday. Yay!
Yay!
Guess who's filming, guys?
Me.
So, should I take the camera now?
I guess so. Just don't touch any buttons.
Oh.
It's blinking. I think that means it's filming. Yeah, because the numbers.
That
are going
means
up.
it's filming.
So yeah, as you can see, I'm getting blown around a lot right now, and I think it's going to probably hurl my body like a projectile.
Wait, it
into
turned
the
off
house.
again.
What the? What? It's got like a screensaver or something on it. It's still on, but the screen shuts off. That's weird.
Yeah.
Don't touch any buttons.
I won't.
Maybe it just doesn't like me. I don't know. But in a minute, we're all gonna die probably.
No, we're not.
What we want to do is get your pets
Well, I need to talk to the camera
and
for a second.
yourself to safety.
By the way, this is a joke.
And right now, because it keeps shutting off, we're gonna have to figure out the technical difficulties here. And I just want to stop talking for now because I'm sick of it. And I'm gonna just experience this weather out here and see what happens. So until we meet again, or if I perish in this, I'll never see you again. It was nice knowing you. GoPro family.
Pretend that you're dying.
And this is BekaBoo's channel.
No, Daddy! Daddy!
Don't worry, Moxie won't even help me.
I can't even turn this back on now. I can't even turn this back on.
I think it is still on, but it like goes into screen. Yeah, it's still filming, but it goes into screensaver mode,
Okay.
which is stupid.
Okay.
Because how do you know?
Pretend that you're dying. No, Daddy! Daddy! No! Daddy! Daddy! No! Daddy! No! Daddy? Daddy?
Ah.
Guys, we need to save Daddy. I think he's still breathing. He's still doing that. I need Dr. Moxie to help. Oh yeah, I remember today that she even helped him, so never mind. Come on.
We can go inside.